Hello, my name is Flor Enid Ramos Heron. I am 27 years old. In the morning, I wake up and I get up at 4:30 a.m. Then I have a shower and I dress up. Every day, I pray with my sister at 5:30 a.m. Then I go to Eucharist. Usually, I am in the high school all morning because I am a religion teacher. In the afternoon, I have a break, and around 3 p.m. I'm studying. Then I have a snack and I go to my break with my sister. In the evening, I have the dinner at 6 p.m. After that, I wash the dishes and I go to living room and I watch the news. After that, I study around 11:30. I go to my bed. Goodbye.